So if you're struggling to grow or make more money in your business, then you should watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to share 3 ways that you can start making more money in your business in 2020 and beyond. So keep on watching. Hi, my name is Sarah and welcome to the Unchained CEO YouTube channel. We post weekly videos here on business, personal development, and motivation to help you achieve your goals and just be the best version of yourself. If it's your first time coming on or seeing my face, thank you so much for taking the time. Go ahead and like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our videos. I'm gonna jump right into it with the first way that you can start making more money in your business. And it's actually harder than you may think. Start charging more. This tip is easier said than done, because for a lot of people, it's more of a mindset thing as to why they're not charging more for their products or services versus the actual act of charging more. A lot of us believe that we don't deserve more. We don't think we're qualified enough to charge more for our services. And some of us are trying to compete with our competitors on a price level. And I'm going to tell you this, as a service-based business, if you're competing based on price, you're doing yourself a disservice, because there's only 24 hours in a day. There's only so many clients that you can see unless you hire help. And if you're trying to lowball yourself or lower your prices to attract more clients, yeah, you may get more clients, but you have to do so much more work to make the money that you'd like to make. Whereas what you should be aiming for is to see less clients and still make more money from those less clients. Being able to do that allows you the opportunity to give all the value that you can possibly give to those set clients and avoid burning out, overworking yourself, and just the extra stress that comes with being a service-based business provider. So start charging more money for your services. And if you're interested in learning how to start charging more, go ahead and click on the link somewhere around here after this video to check that out, because I'm going to give you some really good tips on how you can do that. The second way to make more money in your business is to nurture the clients you already have. In the world of business and sales, it's said that it's 7 times more expensive to get a new customer than to retain an existing one. You already have, even if it's just a small amount, you already have a set amount of customers that enjoy your service and they're willing to come back and work with you again. So nurture those relationships. Take the time to get to know your clients. In my business as a massage therapist and having my practice, I know my clients' family. I know their birthdays. I know their anniversaries. I know just from conversations we have during their treatment, if they're going on a trip, I know that they're going on this trip, so the next time they come in and I know they've gone, I can mention it. Hey, how was your trip to Florida or wherever? Those little things show people that you care and that you're paying attention to them. And you don't have to remember this all, because I don't have like this photographic or whatever memory, but I put it down in my client notes so that the next time I see them, I just run through the notes to see what we talked about the last time we're here. I make notes of little things that they like. It may seem trivial, but yeah, I even make notes of like things that they mention in treatment that are small things, like their favorite color or certain foods they like, or certain things they enjoy. So if I come across those things in my everyday life, the next time I see them, I'll be like, hey, for example, Jane, oh, by the way, last week I was like venturing down this street and I saw this little shop that sells these tchotchke things that I know you like. Here's the address, you should go check it out. That shows your clients that you care. Now, maybe you don't have the opportunity to get to know your clients on that level, but there's so many little ways that you can continue to nurture that relationship. For example, you should have a follow-up system. And that follow-up system should be keeping in contact with your clients on a regular basis so that you stay in the forefront of their minds when they're thinking about your products or services. I have a system that I use where I email my clients every 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and 8 weeks to remind them, if they haven't booked an appointment yet, that it's been that long since their last appointment. And they really appreciate that, because it's not that they don't want to use my services again, but life happens and they get busy and they forget. So I give them those gentle reminders, and it takes that off their plate, and at the same time it shows them that I care enough to nurture that relationship. And if you're a product-based business, this also applies to you too. So say, for example, you sell athletic wear. You have an online business that sells athletic wear, and you know your target audience is, I don't know, millennial women who enjoy, millennial women who are vegans. I don't know, I'm just putting that out there. You can create a blog on your website with all this free, beautiful content for these kinds of people, and have blog posts about how to create vegan meals on a budget, or just topics that women in that audience would be interested in. You can even do a blog on the different pieces that you sell and how to incorporate them into your everyday life. Like, you don't just have to wear your workout clothes when you're working out. Like, you can wear them to go run errands. Like, you can think of different things. But having this as a resource for your clients is beautiful. You can start a YouTube channel and post workout routines, recipes, all kinds of things. These things will complement the service or the product that you provide. And I'm telling you, eventually you'll have people that, even if they don't necessarily have something that they are gonna buy from your site, they'll come back to your site just for the free resources. But guess what? When they are ready to buy again, they're coming to you. And when their friends are ready to buy, they'll refer their friends to you. So this works for product-based businesses. And if you'd like more tips on how to nurture your clients, the current clients you have, and the ones that will be coming in soon, don't forget to check out the video that I have here as well. I'll also link it below. I think it's really good to automate some of these processes. So I have a free document that I can send you guys with all of my business resources, all of the software, all of the apps, all of the automated systems that I use to run my various businesses, and I'll give that guide to you guys. So just click the link below in the description box, leave me your email, and I'll send that to you. And tip number 3, build an email list. Now guys, understand something. If your primary way of advertising to your clients, your customers, your products and services to people is through social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever your audience is, if you advertise to them solely through social media, you have to understand something. You don't own any of these platforms, and at any time, YouTube could shut down. Instagram, Facebook could change something and it could totally disrupt your business. It's happened before. So, the best way to keep in contact with people that are interested in what you have to offer is to create an email list. And I kind of did something like that in my past tip. I was kind of showing you a little bit. So I have a free PDF that I will give to people that are interested in it, and in return, they give me their email address. Now I'm able to build this email list. I know that these people are interested in business, personal development type content, so I'll send it to them. And remember, your email list isn't just a list for you to sell. You need to be adding value to these people so that when you do eventually sell them something, they're way more inclined to purchase from you because they've been getting so much free content from you. They actually want to show you their appreciation and support you. So at the end of the day, having an email list is so very important because you own it. No one can take it from you. You can continue to build that list, advertise, add value to your clients and the people on your list. And maybe those people won't be your clients right away, but over time they might, and they may also refer other people to you. For more tips on how to build an effective email list, I've left a link below for you guys to check that out, or it'll be somewhere here in the cards that will give you steps on how to build that email list effective. So comment below, which one of these tips are you gonna start implementing into your business? I'd love to chat with you guys below. And if you have any other questions, you can feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them there in the comments. Go ahead and check out these videos here to find out more on how to build that email list, how to nurture your clients, and how to start charging more in 2020 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.